Okay, Na and I are at the Bertrand Museum. This sunken steamer, DeSoto Wildlife Reservation, Wildlife Reserve. And here's talking about the paddlefish. Their struggles here in Nebraska because all their habitat's been being wiped out. Their populations are dwindling. I've only seen one. My brother, I lived here a decade and never saw one until my brother came and he hooked one, but it was only briefly. It just came up, kind of grabbed something he was fishing with, but we all got to see the paddlefish. Nodded and took off. So here's the ship, Bertrand. It sunk in 1865. And it was preserved by the mud in the, was it Missouri River? It was traversing the river when it sank in 1865. I'm coming. I just had to start the video over because used to I could stream. Now I have to get so many shorts under my belt before I can stream. And these are things that were then and now familiar on this ship, like French wine, champagne, Hunt's ketchup, the bumblebee sardines. I'm used to them being tuna. Mustard, tomato sauces. Hello. I'm coming. I'm just trying to make a video of it all. Post it on YouTube, and I can transfer it to you, and you can post it to YouTube. Yeah, carpenter tools recovered from the Bertrand. Looks like all the stuff my grandfather had. Busting the prairie sod. Yeah, because they built sod houses out of sod. As you see, they did a pretty good job. The house behind them, sod house. Watch the documentary on them making houses out of sod. Nothing too dampen its reputation. Man, this captain that was on the Bertrand, commanding the Bertrand, dude, he died at 86. He was still working as a river pilot. Man, even at 86. Pretty good. But the sinking didn't ruin his reputation. Sometimes if you're the captain and the ship goes down, you're getting all the blame, no matter what happened. Okay, here we come into the main part. Now here's the main part. This is the recovery now. This is everything recovered. Yeah, you can see like one over there rusted away. But for the bulk majority, you can pick these shovels up and use them today. Yeah. Oh, there's part of the excavation team. Bertrand, good. This is cool to see all this. I mean, look at this stuff that was on that ship now. This stuff was all being transported for sale and stuff like that.
Children's shoes.
Yeah. Children's shoes are. Yeah, no, this stuff was being transported. I don't think anybody died in this sinking, so there wasn't like children or stuff. It was just being transported. And then here's a replica of the Bertrand. As you can see, man, this would have been a big, mighty ship, but like the Titanic, being big and mighty, won't stop it from going down. As you can see, I have like children's blocks for playing. Ink. Writing in office supplies. That's pretty cool. It's just ink. They're writing supplies. But you can just pull it out and still write with it. It's probably still got the original ink in it.
Writing.
Right on that graphite pencil. Candle holders. Yeah, well, everything was in that ship. I mean, look at those grinders and stuff, like coffee grinders stuff. I mean, they look like they could be used today. I mean, that's how well preserved they are. Is that waffles? Is that a waffle iron? Those are waffle irons, whatever they are. Same thing. Top hats. Just loads of stuff. This whole entire area, it's just rows and rows back there. Now, I don't think we can go in. We can only just see what we can see through this glass. And you can see a lot of it is bottled. I have read the time I came here a few years ago that a lot of these bottles do contain the original contents. And it's still edible. You still drink, a lot of it's still edible. You can drink it. I should just say you can still consume a lot of this stuff. There's another. 4 brands of bitters. Zennials, all the other brands had at least 144 bottles each. It's all strange that all that is known comes from the bottles that show they were made in St. Louis. That's it. That's all the information I have. As you can see, they still corked. They still have their contents in them. Like pickled here. You can see all the food. Cucumbers are only pickled fish. Tomatoes, cabbage, and others. Still have peanuts on board and pecans. As you can see in the back, there is just row after row of stuff that was recovered from this ship. I don't know what's back here in those boxes, but it was just lots of stuff recovered. These lanterns, look at that. You can still use them today. Many tools. There, that must be the compass. And look at those latches. locks for doors. Latch. Man, I mean, yeah, so preserved. Looks like it'd be used today. All this stuff here is well preserved. Locks. Actually, use skeleton keys. Brass, not gold. Nah, still over here doing her thing. Hello, Nah. I'm making a video of this whole thing. I'm just gonna keep it going and record everything. What was this? Paddle wheel flan. Basic casting. The spokes, forearms, and their stern wheel in place. Bertrand's paddle wheel was about 18 feet in diameter and 28. So it was 178 feet long. Okay. Wow. Look at that sucker. I've seen the small ones. I think my grandmother had a small one, handheld. Had handles on it. You pump it and blow air into the fireplace, stoke it up. But that thing is almost the size of me. Steady supply of oxygen available to an open fire. A bellow effectively increasing the heat. Yeah. Miner's moss. Farming tools. Plowing. Yeah, this ship was loaded with cargo. Oh, and there it is, being excavated when they discovered it. Okay, almost 100% of objects stored in the DeSoto Visitor Center Museum came from the cargo hold of the Bertrand. So we're looking at everything that came from the cargo. Most everything here came from the cargo hold. Artillery crate. No, I don't think this ship had artillery, but it was transporting artillery. That's pretty cool. Cargo meant we do not know the final destination for these cannonballs. Oh, no kidding. Fort Rice. Fort Rice or Beaufort? Come on. Man, for your muzzle loaders. Oh man, it'd be cool to have one of those. I'm big on muzzle loaders. Okay, looks like different things of shot, muzzle bottles, shot, bird shot. Those rounds almost look like they could be fired today. Besides, I don't know what they call it. That thing's huge. The maiden first model carbine. I guess that was it. Friction primers. Stuff's for muzzle loaders and stuff. Horse collar. Stuff for horses. Cowbells. Oh man, gotta have more cowbell. And I can't read about those pieces of art back there because they're too far back. But that would have been found in the cargo hold too, I guess. Oh, way back. Wish it was a little closer. Those different styles of hats from back in the day. This was part of a steam room or something. Mud drum. Socks and stockings of the day. And then here's some of the styles back from the day. Hey man, those trench coats. Hey man, they don't look too bad. You probably wear this to the day standard, nobody even question it. I mean, you can't see as good because of the reflections, but oh man, them winter boots. Because they would have certainly needed those in South Dakota, North Dakota, Missouri, Iowa, all the places the steamer was traveling. It just shows you what kind of thing. I mean, they look good. Got buckle, metal buckles, leather straps. Oh, they would keep your feet warm. Jewelry, pearls, bracelets, buttons, pulses, sporting buttons. Down boots. Hobnail boots. There's no terrain. So that's why that's there. Children's shoes. Dress boots. Women's shoes. Kind of got a heel on it. And you wouldn't know a difference. Look at that. Looks like an old timer pocket knife. I wonder if these old timers. Old timers, a brand of pocket knife. Let's see, old timer. Pipes. Oh, and these things are super cool. Brass match safes. Now I even went online and tried to find these things. I cannot find one of these anywhere. It's like a Rolodex, but it's for matches. That's pretty cool. A roughened area on the side as is safe to allow for a match to be struck. Man, metal matchbox. Check out that matchbox. Made out of metal like a Rolodex. I tried to find one. I want to buy one if I ever find it. I don't know how much it'll cost.
What's that?
That's a
What?
clock. No, it's a clock.
Clock.
I think, yeah.
Clock.
Yep. Lice combs. Oh, man. Yeah, man. Lice combs. Get lice out of your hair. Chinese comb company. While the rubber combs are still good year for reasons of delicacy. These combs were often still referred to as beard combs.
Oh, that's still have in Vietnam. Still have.
Yeah, hard work. The wooden combs are marked Chinese comb company. Rubber combs are made in China. Some of them were made in China. Damn, even back in 1865.
Still have now.
Yeah. See, commerce with China's been going on for a long time. This would have been their rain suits. Not bad. Not a bad margin. Rain suit. Huh. Like I said, must be a good one. Still used today. Yeah, see, this is the kind of stuff I was wanting to hang in my basement. Not that whole entire pulley, but the rope. There's gonna be some seats and stuff. In Kennard, man, I'll have to drive you by there. Oh, here's the excavation. When they discovered the Bertrand. First they had to find it, dig it all up. Excavated. 1969. All right, ready? Oh, is this the end of it? No? Is this the end here? Oh, yeah, the priming caps. I think I'm just going to walk on out this door. I think we've reached the end here. Is this for horses? Yep, horse tack and hardware. Whoa, that's a big one cold. Screws. This is the bird I used to hunt here. Good eating. No. Just that. She's over there toiling with you. I just wanted to show you something right quick. It's winter here, so everything's brown, but you can see you got these observation. People can sit out here in the warmth like Na has figured out. I just wanted to show you something. When I say pheasant, this is the bird I used to shoot and eat here, hunt. This is the bird I used to shoot and eat. That's, I'd hunt them. Me and my dog would go hunt them. Okay. Yep, as she's figured out, there's an observation post here. I got everything on recording right now, Ma. Let me finish recording. I'm trying to make just one long video so it's not broken up in Well, I know I could do all the editing and combine shorts and make one long, but no, I'm not going to if I don't have to. Wait, stop. I'll hit pause. Okay, here. Like I said, when we hit this federal reservation, we had to drive 2 miles along parallel to it, and then we had to drive another mile in. If that gives you any idea of how big this reservation is. And that was only part of it. So yeah, you can sit in here, and it's like an observatory. You can bird watch, just enjoy nature, and sit in the comfort of this observatory. Okay, so you can come down here, walk down, and now you can see everything's frozen. It has been really cold here in Nebraska. You can see the snow and ice right along the banks. I'm just showing how cold it is here on video. And you can see when it's warmer, nice days, you can go sit out here in these observatories and bird watch. Just enjoy nature. In warmer weather, you can watch boats coming up and down this river. But now it's getting a little too cold unless they want to tear the bottom out of their boat on ice. Airboats, I think, can traverse it. Most boats. We're gonna have some problems. Hey, Nah. I'm just showing the observatory on the video. Yeah, that's a beautiful observatory here at DeSoto Federal Wildlife Refuge. So if you love bird watching, but you don't want to freeze to death in the winter, come out here. See, it's even got charts so you know what you're seeing. Oh, that's so dark. My camera picking that up? It's so dark. Well, anyway, white-fronted goose, Canada goose, snow goose, blue goose, Canadian geese. I'm used to seeing them. You see them a lot. And then we got the wading birds that you might see. Great egret, green heron, American bittern, cattle egret, killdeer, great blue heron. Man, we used to call them killdeer. I mean, that's how it's pronounced. I don't know, but it's just killdeer. And this is the Missouri River. You got some kind of weird thing going on here in the water. It's frozen all around it, but then you got that something natural going on there. Just sit here and enjoy nature. These are just birds you might think. Bald eagle, raptors. So you turn it on. So you can listen to outside. But all I'm hearing is the wind. So you can sit here and listen to nature too. Just hit that button. You can listen to the sounds outside. We got the diving ducks. Miracle migration. Yes, it is amazing. Okay, yeah, that's where it came from. Don't know why everything looks so dark on my phone. To 6 but September. Sometimes 2 to 7. September. Sometimes. This is where we're at. There we go. Sit down like that the whole time. Duck stamp winners. See out here is just the observatory. Getting too much glare, but just not much to see out that way. This is out here. Yep, I seen an eagle grab a duck one day. Just like that. Duck one. Houston Lake. The duck threw such a fit, the flapping its wings, making such a racket, the eagle gave up. Got a house tonight. What did they catch back then? Pike or northern pike. Yeah, it's pike. Yep, songbirds more. Like I said, just walk around here if you don't know what you're seeing. They got signs around, kind of help you out. More of the observatory over here. Like I said, it's a big observatory. If you're into birds and stuff and just want somewhere comfortable where you can just sit and enjoy nature, watch birds. Oh, look at this. And I guess apparently possums and squirrels. There's a squirrel. There's the possum. Yeah, so all kinds of wildlife. I'm sure you can probably see deer here. Okay. Yep. So just a possum and a squirrel eating together with a bunch of birds. Look here. A possum eating with a squirrel. Say that, possum? I knew. That's a possum.
Ooh.
And that's a squirrel. The reddish, brown, reddish thing, that's the squirrel. You know a squirrel. But I don't know that you've ever seen a possum before, because I don't even know that they're in Vietnam. Maybe out in the jungles, but maybe different type. I can't remember. Different species or of possum. They just look different. John Deere. We're trying to show her the tractors. We passed the John Deere dealership on the way. That's down like John Deere, Kubota. You'll see that a lot. Because she was talking about farmers in Vietnam still go by hand, and I'm showing her the farms out here. I'm like, these are mega farms. Even with the biggest equipment on the planet, it still takes them days to harvest everything because their fields are so huge. They'll have 2 combines running the field, and it'll still take them about 3 days to harvest everything. And that's just one farm. Oh, there's the woodcock. One year they migrated into Georgia because of a cold snap up here in the Midwest and up north, further north. And they flooded into Georgia by the millions. They were everywhere. I think we're back where we started. Yeah, back here with the paddlefish. was just talking about. Conservation's helping, but it's like just all their migratory waters where they used to feed, they're now non-existent. Paddlefish and the sturgeons. Get the felt off their antlers. That one's got felt. Well, I think I've kind of covered it and kept it under an hour, but that's it for now. I think I've pretty much covered everything. That's it. I'll find Mom. See if she wants to go drive around the federal lands, or if she wants to just sit here and bird watch or animal watch. The possum and squirrel still down there. It'd be cool if there is a place where I could take Noah and you eat and you watch, and there'll be deer, possums, raccoons, squirrels, everything all eating together. But wild. These aren't penned. These are wild animals. No. There she is. She's already down there sitting, found her a sofa and just watching, bird watching and stuff. So that's what we'll do for now. All right, that's it for now. If we get to driving around, I'll record some more. Bye. Okay, so I told Na to get on the binoculars, and so I sat down. She's like, birds everywhere, and I can't see nothing up there. But through the binos, there's a bald eagle sitting with two other eagles, sit right on the ice out there. I can't even see them with my naked eye, but through these binos, I can see them. Let's see if this isn't going to be good enough. But they are almost out there at that point of land over there. And there's a whole mess of birds all out there on the ice. I've never seen a bald eagle sitting on the ice before. That's the first for me.
Or they don't feel cold.
Oh, right. No. They know what they're doing now. Okay. Okay, let me get back in the final and figure out see what other birds are out there. Okay. This is the park. Outside. And that's where we're at. It's Friday, so there's not many people here. It could get crowded on the weekend, so I want to come on a Friday. Weekday, but I don't know. With the temperature the way it is, it might not be that crowded during the week. But me and Na are gonna go right around. We've been through the museum, and so getting back to it. And this is the front of it, the observatory, visitor center. It's very big. I'm the only car in the line. Well, it's a spotter scope in there, and man, did I get to see some eagles. There are eagles all out there on the ice. I think about 3 bald eagles. At least 3 bald. Bunch of other waterfowl. Well, they're not waterfowl, but they're sitting on the ice. I was surprised to see them. I couldn't see them until I looked at that scope. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go warm the vehicle up. Wait for Nah. She's bundling up inside. Get the vehicle warmed up before she gets here.